Hello guys! Welcome and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ayan, samahan niyo po kaming pumunta sa Manuel Becerra sa Fuente del Berro. Ayan, so samahan niyo kami guys. See ya! So ayun na nga guys, ang pagpunta po doon is sasakay po tayo ng bus number 12. So yun po talaga yung bus na mas malapit doon sa Fuente del Berro. Pero kami po kasi, ayan, number 56 po yung sinakyan namin para bumaba po kami sa may mismong Manuel Becerra. Kasi hindi pa namin alam na number 12 po pala talaga yung bus na pwedeng sakyan. So, ayan ang aking Junakis. Nasa loob na po kami ng bus. And then, pagbaba po namin, ayan, bababa po kami sa mismo Manuel Becerra. So, pwede din po tayo sumakay ng 56 or C1. And bababa po tayo dito sa may mismong highway ng Manuel Becerra. And ayan, tatawid po tayo dito sa highway na to, sa Manuel Becerra to. Ayan. So, ayun na nga guys, pwede rin po tayong mag-metro and bababa lang tayo ng Manuel Becerra or O'Donnell. So, kung hindi nyo trip mag-bus, mag-metro na lang po kayo. So, ayan guys, samahan nyo po kami and tara, let's go! So, ayun na nga guys, bali naglalakad kami ngayon dito sa may kalye ng Marquez de Safra. So, dire-diretso lang naman yan guys, hindi naman po kayo maliligaw. So, ayan, malapit kasi dito yung school ng anak ko dati, si Ganda, yung Amador Rios na eskwelahan. So, pag nakita nyo naman na yun, ayan, sabihin hindi kayo maliligaw. So, ayun, dire-diretso pa rin yun, dire-diretso pa rin yung lakad natin. And ayan guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung school ng anak ko dati, yung Amador Rios. Para kapag pumunta kayo dito, alam nyo na hindi kayo naliligaw. So ayan guys, ayan yung school ng Amador Rios. So ayan, tapos dire-diretso pa rin guys. Ayan, so ayan yung school ng aking Junakis. So diretso lang, di ba? Ayan. So, dire-diretso lang tayo guys. So, ayan guys, straight ahead pa rin ng kumbaga babaybayin lang natin yung Marquez de Safra. And, ayan, dyan tayo dito ngayon. Pag nakita na natin yung parang playground dun sa may baba or parang Malapores ang dating. So, ayan, dire-diretsoin natin yan. And, ayan, welcome to Fuente del Berro. Ayan na siya guys. So, see ya!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Habang naglalakad kami pa uwi, nakita ko yun yung pabo real kung tawagin. So meron na kami sa may taas ko, sa may bandang taas ko, guys. Ayan, so pababa na kami, pauwi na kami. Nakita ko lang yung mga mga pabo real na, and ang cute nila. Ayan, may green naman yan, and yung isa color blue siya. So lapitan natin siya para mas malapitan natin siyang makuhaan ng video. Ayan. So may nakita kong dalawang jowa, ang picture na nila.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
ayan, pauwi na kami and nadaanan namin tong white flowers na to, hindi ko alam po ang tawag, and sa likod ang may cherry blossoms pa. Ayan, so salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin dito sa Fuente del Berro at feel na feel ko talaga ang nature. So thank you so much guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell para laging updated kung may bagong upload na videos. Bye!